I always chuckle when I get that question, what's more important, content or delivery? It's a little bit like asking what's more important, air or water? If you don't have air, you're going to die quickly, but if you don't have water, eventually you're going to die as well. Content, of course, is the foundation. You have to have something meaningful to say for the audience, but great content can really suffer if the delivery is not good. So I don't think, for me, it's not a binary choice. You need both. Clearly, in a business presentation, content is going to be king, according to the expression. But again, if the delivery is flat, if the structure is not good, great content can be lost. So I would encourage speakers, think of it as, you know, both the left-right punch, if I can put it that way. You want to have good content, but you want to practice the delivery as well. You want to be engaging, you want to be impactful, you want to leave the audience with a message that they're going to remember.